In this video I'll show you how to create a free online store using Google Sites. Let's jump in. First go to sites.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, click on the plus button to start a new site. You'll have two options, create a new site or choose a template. Click on choose a template to browse through available designs. Now you'll enter the site editor. It's a simple drag and drop interface. Click on any text or image to edit. For example, to change the site, just click on it, type your new name, and adjust the font size as needed. To change images, click on the image, then select Change Image. You can upload your own images or choose from Google Gallery. You can add new sections by using the options on the right-hand side, like text, images, or buttons. To add more pages, go to the Pages tab. Click the plus button to add a new page, like Shop, About Us, or Contact. In the Themes tab, choose a theme that matches your store's branding. You can change the color scheme, font style, and overall look with just a few clicks. Once you're happy with your store, click on Publish. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.